Hi guys, today is Monday, May 4th. You should be receiving new packets in the mail with new material for your content classes. I'm going to be uploading the science reading packets to my ELA classroom so that you can hear them read aloud to you. So you can just go on my page and the science will be posted there for you. So I'm going to read, Miss Phelan assigned page 27 today. So I'm going to read page 27. You need to define the three words, cell cycle, DNA, and chromosomes. So here we go. Let's read page 27. The cell cycle. How are new cells made? As you grow, you pass through different stages in your life. Also, I forgot to mention you can have your packets out while I'm reading so you can follow along in your packets, okay? As you grow, you pass through different stages in your life. Cells also pass through different stages in their life cycles. These stages are called the cell cycle. The cell cycle starts when a cell is made and ends when the cell divides to make new cells. Before a cell divides, it makes a copy of its DNA. DNA is a molecule that contains all the instructions for making new cells. The DNA is stored in structures called chromosomes. Cells make copies of their chromosomes so that new cells have the same chromosomes as the parent cells. Although all cells pass through a cell cycle, the process differs in prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. How do prokaryotic cells divide? Prokaryotes have only one cell. Prokaryotic cells have no nucleus. They also have no organelles that are surrounded by membranes. The DNA for prokaryotic cells, such as bacteria, is found on one circular chromosome. The cell divides by a process called binary fission. During binary fission, the cell splits into two parts. Each part has one copy of the cell's DNA. So as you notice, cell cycle is in the first paragraph, and it says these stages are called the cell cycle. So the cell cycle is the different stages that cells go through. You can write that down. And then chromosomes is in the second paragraph. It says the DNA is stored in structures called chromosomes. So that is where the DNA is stored. And DNA in the third paragraph, it says during binary fission, the cell splits into two parts. Each part has one copy of the cell's DNA. Okay, so go ahead and answer your science and fill out your vocabulary words. Thanks, guys.